Whose fault was that again?
Totally my fault.
Yeah. It definitely wasn't my fault.
Yeah, it wasn't your fault. It was my fault.
Shona,
Phone.
silence your phone.
That was his fault.
That was your fault.
And action.
So today's the day that we've been waiting around for about 3 or 4 months. That's the first harvest we have out of this greenhouse thus far here in Southern Illinois. So first things first, we got a few inbred increases we got to harvest here on the first greenhouse, and then about in the middle we've got a little bit of master grays developments that we can also harvest. There's some in the second and third greenhouse, maybe early maturing varieties in there, some hybrid increases as well as developments. But overall today is going to be an exciting day. Can't wait to show you a little bit about the ears that we get back, the types of struggles we actually have with harvest here in the greenhouse, but also some victories that we can also have. So with that, let's go ahead and get started.